Welcome students, myself Sujata Madik. I am going to teach English subject for standard 4th. Today I am going to teach first poem of English. The name of the poem is Rain in the Night, and this poem is wrote by Amelia Josephine Burr. Let's start with the first stanza. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. First, we'll see the meanings. All night long means what? Whole night. And loud means what? Making a lot of noise. And soft means light. Poet says here, it is raining all night long. All night long means whole night it is raining. And how it is raining? Sometimes loud, sometimes soft. Just like a song. Song sound you can hear. Sometimes it is loud, sometimes soft. In that way it is raining sometimes loud, sometimes soft. Here poet has compared rain with the song. Now let's move to the second stanza. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The meaning of gutters, see, gutters mean channels at the edge of the street that carry up the water. Lake means a large body of water surrounded by land. In Marathi we say talab. And a kitty means a small cat. In second stanza, poet says that there will be rivers in the gutters. Actually, there will be rivers in the gutters? No. When the rain falls, that time due to the rain, gutters will fill with the water and it will looks like river, and for that only poet is telling what there will be rivers in the gutters. Poet also says that there will be lakes along the street. Due to the rain, the lakes also will fill with the water which are along the street, and for that only poet is telling there will be lakes along the street. In this picture you can see along the street lake it is there. It is filled with water because due to the rain. Next poet says, it will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Now kitty means, it is a small cat. Now due to the rain, the lazy kitty's dirty feet, it will be washed. Now let's see third stanza. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. Now we'll see the meanings. Diamonds means what? Precious stone. Court means it is a place where king carries out administrative duties. Pansies means small plants or their flowers. And muddy means covered with mud. Poet says here that the roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. But actually roses will wear diamonds? No. The drops of rainwater on the roses, it looks like diamonds. And the drops of rainwater, for that only poet is telling here what? Diamonds. And he says what? The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. Now kings and queens, they wear the diamonds, mean in their crown or in their jewelry, diamonds are there. Likewise telling what? Roses also wore diamonds, but it is not a diamonds, it is what? Drops of rainwater. For that only poet is telling here diamonds. But the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. Now children, pansies means, pansies means small plants or their flowers. Now pansies get muddy. Why they get muddy? Due to the heavy rain. These pansies will get muddy. And also they are so short. They are so short. So due to the heavy rain, they get the muddy. Now we'll see the fourth stanza. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. But first I will take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Now wonderful means what? See, wonderful means extremely good. And watering pot means what? It is a container used to sprinkle water over plants. The poet says here that she wants to sail her boat. When? Tomorrow. And where she wants to sail her boat? In wonderful new places. Wonderful new places are there. There she wants to sail her boat. But before that, what she want to do? Before that, she want to take her watering pot. You can see picture here, watering pot picture. And he want to wash the pansies' faces. Why she want to wash the pansies' faces? Because they are get muddy due to the heavy rain. Students, now I am going to recite the poem Rain in the Night. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first I will take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Students, today's homework you have to learn this poem. Thank you.